Fertilizer manufacturers don't want you to know this, but you can build a powerful remedy that will help your plants and trees grow in the best possible way. And best of all, do it at home, with a few simple and natural ingredients. To start, we will take a saucepan and pour a handful of sweet clove. Next, we will add bay leaves to the saucepan. Then, we will pour a sufficient amount of water into the saucepan to cover the ingredients. We will place the saucepan on the stove and heat it over medium heat until the water starts to boil. It is important to allow the mixture to boil for several minutes to make sure to extract all the natural compounds and nutrients from the cloves and herbs. Once the mixture has boiled enough, we will remove the saucepan from the heat and let the liquid cool a little. Then, we will use a strainer to pour the liquid into a container, separating the solids from the liquid solution. Next, we will pour the liquid into a plastic jar. To facilitate its application, we will put an atomizer in the plastic jar. And that's it. This home remedy for plants is an excellent alternative to commercial chemical fertilizers and products. It is not only cheap and easy to prepare, but it is also completely natural, which means that it does not introduce harmful chemical substances in the environment or in your plants. In addition, the natural nutrients and compounds of sweet clove and medicinal herbs can help improve the overall health of plants, promoting stronger and more resistant growth to diseases. In short, this home remedy is a sustainable and effective option for those who want to take care of their plants in a natural way. By using common ingredients that can be found in any home, this method provides a practical and economic solution for the care of plants, ensuring that they grow strong and healthy without the need to resort to expensive and potentially harmful chemical products. Try this trick today and see how your plants prosper like never before. This method is not only easy to prepare, but it is also highly effective. The natural ingredients used in this remedy provide plants with the essential nutrients necessary for their growth and health.